Welcome back to the channel, Amazing Traders. In today's video, we're reviewing the powerful results of one of our Trend Effects AI robot users who made an incredible $87,319 in pure profit from an initial deposit of just $5,380 and also withdrew over $16,000 while the account continued growing. All of this was achieved using our advanced Quantitative Trend Effects AI robot. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our Telegram channel using the link below so you never miss any updates on AI trading and automated wealth building strategies. We're currently in the middle of one of the biggest transformations in financial history, the AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is reshaping how traders analyze the markets, manage risk, and capture opportunities. The Trend Effect AI robot is built on this revolution, using advanced quantitative models, machine learning logic, and multi-layer risk management to deliver disciplined, consistent, and emotion-free trading. This is why so many traders are transitioning from manual trading to fully automated quantitative AI systems. This user started with a deposit of $5,380, and through the disciplined trading execution of the Trend Effects AI robot, the account generated a massive $87,319 in profit. When compared to the original deposit, this represents an extraordinary 1,622% increase, which is more than 16 times the starting balance. Even after withdrawing over $16,000, the account continued to grow, a clear demonstration of the power of AI automation, smart compounding, and consistent quantitative trading. This level of performance shows how reliable the Trend Effects AI robot is when it comes to delivering long-term returns in real market conditions. Benefits of trading with the Trend Effects AI robot. Number 1. Consistent quantitative performance. The robot identifies market trends, structure, and volatility with precision, entering only high probability setups. Number 2. No emotional trading. No fear, no greed, no stress, just pure data-driven execution every single time. Number 3. Advanced risk management. The system automatically manages exposure, adjusts lot sizes, and protects the account, even in unpredictable market conditions. Number 4. And 24/7 market monitoring. The robot works around the clock, making sure you never miss a profitable opportunity. Number 5. Built for long-term growth and compounding. Small, consistent gains compound into massive long-term results. Exactly what we saw in this user's account performance. You can get access to the Trend Effects AI robot using the link in the description or the pinned comment below. Also, make sure to join our Telegram community using the link in the description or the pinned comment so you can stay updated, get support, and connect with other Trend Effects AI users. This kind of growth shows exactly why AI-driven trading is the future. If you want me to review more accounts, share more results, or create more educational videos on the AI trading revolution, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other traders so they don't get left behind. See you in the next video.